Okay. So we'll see some different chart types. Okay. So orders. Okay. That formatting part you explain, you explore, but the apart from formatting, what is the use of various chart types, that I'll explain you. Okay. So we have covered last time. So what all we have covered? Bar chart, column chart, okay, stacked column, stacked bar. These are the chart types which we had covered. So all right. Now suppose I want to see okay, in the column chart, okay, column chart, I want to see category in x axis, y axis I am saying cells. Okay. Okay, so category in x axis, y axis in cell. So now if I go to data labels, okay, I'll just select it, go to format your visual, then go to data labels. Okay, data labels, I'll switch it on. Okay, so then if I go to values, so data labels are already displayed. Okay, if I want to increase the font, just a minute, I want to increase the font, make it bold. Okay, so this is a data label. Okay, but I want to see, so it is point, if you look at the, so this is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you want to see the percentage, now it is showing you the quantity. Okay, basically it is showing you the quantity. If you see, auto means automatically adjust. Okay, if you want to, it is showing me in millions. If you want to see the data label in thousands, you can do that. You can select in thousands, or you can select in any other, any other units, maybe in billions, trillions. You can of course use this. Okay, select this and see this. But now my question is, and I think you already know how to change the color and everything, because you have here okay, columns. Here in columns you can give different color to different okay, bars. All right. Okay, you can change the color also. Okay, you can change the color also in this columns section. All right, so my question is, now so far you have, see, if I'm considering my total sales as 100%, if I want to see you, if I want to see the percentage, okay, so what is the percentage contribution of each and every category? So I am selling basically in 3 categories. What is the percentage? If I'm selling 100 total, if I consider the total sales as 100, then what is that, what is the contribution each and every category is selling? What is the percentage contribution? Okay, so can anybody tell me how to find the percentage?
Sir, go to x-axis. Then scroll down.
Grid lines. Okay, grid lines. This is all about formatting. Data label will always show you the values. Okay, I think in this chart there is a way, there is an alternative. Okay, but in this chart we will not be able to directly give you the percentage. If you want to show the percentage contribution and distribution share of each division, or maybe in each category, this is not the right chart to show you. Okay, so you have to go for bar chart, sorry, pie chart. You have to go for pie chart. If I select this and click on the pie chart, it will show me the percentage contribution of, okay, the percentage contribution of each category. So clear?
Yes, sir.
These are the legends. You can place it anywhere in the graph or chart. You can place it in the top, you can place it in the top left, top right, bottom right, bottom left, bottom right, center left, center right, whatever whichever way you want, you can do that. Okay, so now it is showing me the, see, if you look at here, this is the total total amount that I've sold, and this is the contribution. If my total sales is 100%, technology category is contributing 36%, furniture category is contributing 32%, and office supplies categories is contributing 31.3%. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if you want, if you go to your visual, if you go to your format, your visual, go to yes, go to legend. Okay, so legend, you, if you want to make it increase it, if you want to increase the legend, if you want to decrease the legend, okay, then title on off you can do. If you don't want title, you can switch it off. Okay, switch it on. Category, this is legend title. Okay, then you have slices. Okay, slices color also you can change. Clear? Slices color also you can change if you want. Then go to detail labels. So here, see, you can, data, see, this value is so detail labels means these levels, these are the detail levels. If you want that to be inside, I think that we can put that in inside. Okay, if you want that to be prefer outside, that is outside. If you want that to be prefer inside, that is again inside. Clear? So suppose I'm keeping it outside. Okay, but this time, see, label contents. Now the label has data value and percentage. The data value is 836,000. Okay, then percentage. Now if you want to change the data value, if I want only percentage, I can put only percent. Okay, if you want only data value, I can put only data value. If I want only category, I can put only category names. If you want only combination of category, percent and total, so this is category, percent and total. Okay, then if you want detail value, everything. If you want all, if you select all details, it will give you everything. It will give you, first it will give you category, then total amount that is sold, and the percentage contribution. So clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what you can configure. Then if you want to apply some formatting, go ahead and apply some formatting. Okay, then you can make it bold, you can make it bold, you can make it normal, keep it normal. Okay, then if you want to change the color, you can also change the color. Bold. Okay, that is also possible. Display units in 1000. जो display unit देखा हो, now it is showing in 1000. If you want to put it in millions, it can be converted to millions also. So basically use of pie chart is, see, you can use pie chart to show the percentage contribution. What is the distribution, contribution, proportion? Okay, जो तुमको percentage contribution you want to show, then in that case you have to go for pie chart. That is the use of pie chart. Okay, so these are, you can say, levels. These are called levels. Okay, these are called levels. There are 3 levels or 3 divisions, I would say. Okay, so these are 3 levels or 3 divisions. Okay, or each slice, you can say. Furniture slice, this is furniture slice, this is what, this is office supplies, this one is technology. Slice, you can say 3 slices or 3 divisions or 3 levels. It's up to you. Okay, this is also a very important chart, but the problem here is, see, let me if I go to my this tab, instead of category I will put customer name. Guys, is it readable? Is there any point? Can you tell me?
No, sir.
It is not readable. If you go to product ID or product name, is it making any sense here in product name?
No, sir.
Okay, so go to subcategory. It is still not making sense. Yes or no? In subcategory also it is not making sense. Correct? Because couple of
Yes,
see few slices you can understand, but see what are these? I am not able to understand this 5 6. So make sure when you have, let's say, 5 to 7 divisions, then go for pie chart. If it is more than 5 7 division, see there is no such fixed, but you have to apply it, you have to use the chart if your chart type is readable. If you are able to understand it by looking at your chart, then go for it. Maximum 5 6 categories or 5 6 under your category. If you have 5 6 values, then go for it. Or subcategory, if you have 5 6 values or 7 values, go for it. But when you have more than 7 plus, now this has like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 around 15 16 subcategory has 15 16 subcategories or values, so you are not able to read it. So 5 to 6 or 7 may be comfortable, you can understand what is happening in each segment or each slices. Okay, but we are not able to understand if the subcategory has or any specific field has 6 or more than 7 unique values. So 5 to 7 you can prefer this chart type. So for this we can go for this one. This is readable, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, this is readable, but this is not readable. Okay, just by creating this type of fancy chart would not help to understand, to no, you are not giving any insight to the business if you are using this chart. It is just a fancy chart, it looks good. Okay, so people will just kids will look at it, they'll enjoy, but others, the business will not get the hell out of here. They'll not get anything out of here. Okay, so don't use this chart when you have more than 6 7 values in under a particular field or under a particular column, categorical column. Okay, even if you put numeric values also, it doesn't make any sense. If I put just simply cells, just drag it where is cells. Okay, no sense. Okay, so that's about pie chart. So I think you have got a good understanding now, fair understanding in understanding pie chart. Okay, now let's go to another chart type. Okay, so what I will do here is category, region, okay, category, cells in values. Okay, this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
let me change it to the percentage. Chalo, if I go to slices, okay, detail levels, so I will show only percentage. Okay, so let's go back. Now I'll go to your region. See, there is something called details section. I'll put the region over here. So now tell me what is happening over here. Can somebody explain me? Can somebody explain me?
Divided 3 part all cut out. Every cutout is divided 3 part.
Okay, just a minute. Let me select it, go to format visual, detail level. Okay, so now tell me. Now tell me what is happening here.
हाँ सर सब कैटेगरी को चार्ट निका डिवाइड कर दिया डिसीजन
It is dividing each
So
category
dividing.
into, it is dividing category into different regions. Okay, so what is that insight you are getting from here? What is the contribution of, okay, central in technology category for within the total sales? Yes or no? Total sales with a sales central row. What is the contribution of central in technology category? What is the contribution of east in technology category? What is the contribution of furniture in technology category? I mean south in technology category, again west in technology category. Okay, sometimes you have requirement like this which is very straightforward, and this is the correct answer for this requirement. But tell me, see, contribution of technology central in overall sales. Overall sales re contribution of technology central is giving you 7.42. But tell me guys, what is the contribution of, see, what is the contribution of central in technology category? Are you understanding my point? What is the contribution of central in technology category? Is it giving me the correct output or is it giving me the wrong output? You're still not sure.
Correct output.
Correct output.
करेक्ट आउटपुट
My question is, see, my question is, what is the contribution of, okay, central in technology category? What is the contribution of central in technology category? That means I have to consider this category as 100%, then I have to check. So I'll give you one example. What is the percentage of art student? Okay, what is the percentage of art student? Those are passed. Can anybody tell me what is the percentage? The percentage has to be divided by 120. Okay, 120. Okay, 120 with 600, or it has to be 120 by 200.
120 by 200.
Are you getting my point? If somebody will ask you percentage of art student, okay, art student passed, so will you divide 120 by 600 or 120 by, you will say, okay, (120 by 600) will give you what is the percentage? (120 by 600). Okay. This will give me 60%. So guys, tell me, 60% art students are passed or 20% art students are passed?
60%.
60%.
So are you understanding what I am trying to say? If somebody will tell you what is the overall contribution of students they are passed from arts, then you can say 20%. But I'm saying in arts, what is the percentage then? Okay, in arts, what is the percentage? Then you have to say 60%. I have to consider this percent as 100%. Understanding everyone? What is the problem here?
Yes, sir.
In this, see, overall students, overall students are like 180, 120, 300, 400. Okay, overall students like 400 from 600. But now if I have to exactly ask you what is the percentage of science student passed in my college, then definitely it has to be 90%, because 180 passed means 90% students from science stream has passed. So that means you have to consider this as 100% and check the contribution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you compare this with this, it is giving me correct output or wrong output?
Wrong, sir.
Wrong, because if I have to consider technology, as 100%, I am not getting the percentage correctly. Okay, so I should get the percentage. If I calculate 7 plus 11 plus 6 plus 10, I'll get what? I'll get only 36%. If I calculate चार्टा again जो segregate in the region, then I'll get 36%. I'll not get 100%. This is what I am considering this as 100%. Under this technology, which region has contributed how much percentage? Okay, if to just a minute. Category region. Okay, so if I consider this as 100%, it is not giving me correct output. Okay. So what you can do is, so in that case, if you want percentage contribution of each, okay, if you want percentage contribution of each, region wise, okay, each region wise for category, for technology category or furniture category as office supply category, this is not the right chart, which is not giving you correct output. In that case, what you can do is you can go for this. You can go for this. Just a minute. Let me category. Okay, then you have sales, then you have legend, add data fields here. Where is it regions? Okay, that means here everything is considered as 100%. Technology here is 100%, technology category, furniture here is 100%. This is total. This bar, this bar is 100% bar. So within this, each category's contribution it is showing. Okay, so let me go to this, then data labels on. Okay, you got. This is called 100%. Okay, 100% stacked column chart. So understood? Now you clearly understood which, see, if you just go to legends, if you go to legend, if you can increase, now see, so now it is clear to all of you. Are you understanding?
Sir.
Yes.
How did 100% in single? ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ହେଲା 100% ମାନେ ଟୋଟାଲ ଟା ନା ହେଇକି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ
See,
ଟିକେ ଆଉଥରେ
ये जो stack chart टा, see, it is called 100% stacked column chart. Okay, 100% stacked column chart means this bar is 100%, 100%, 100%. It is showing technology 100%, furniture जेतिक सेल ହେଇଛି, it is considering each category as 100%. ता भीतर जो हमें रखिले region को से contribute कर दला. देखो technology is contributing 30%, this is contributing 17%, this is contributing 31.69, this is contributing 20.38%. जदि तमे चारटा को मिसे दबो, it will give you 100%.
Yes, sir, got
it is assuming suppose it is assuming though problem ta amar last re thila, got it, jo problem the one which we found in the last chart, we are not able to get what is the percentage of art student passed. That means what is, if I say what is the contribution, okay, what is the contribution of okay, north region in technology. So if you are considering technology as your 100%, so definitely north say is our output asunutala, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it was giving instead of more, they see north in technology category. If you see not north, maybe we can take east in technology category is 31%. There it was giving 7 or 6%, yes or no? In the
Yes, sir.
in this chart. So it was only 7%, 11%, 6%, 10%. Okay. So understood this? So every chart has a different meaning, why it is used. So if we can do everything in a single chart, then there would not be 20-30 chart types. There are like 100 plus chart types, that are many advanced chart types are there, but these are some commonly used. See, first 3 rows रे जो chart अच्छी जेगुड़ा सब गुड़ा easy chart and everything is commonly used. Because if you are presenting your data in this type of charts, everyone can understand. If you use a very complex, if you are taking a very complex chart type to explain this your business insight, then it may be difficult for some people who are not very much familiar with the advanced chart types. Maybe bubble chart, the one which I have explained you in Excel, scatter plot, bubble chart. It will not be that easy. Waterfall, it will not be that easy to understand. Okay, but these charts are pretty much easy, and that is also frequently, if you look at any of the dashboards, they have been using these charts very frequently. This may be 15-16 chart types. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll create one more chart. category, then you have regions, okay, then you have cells. Or I'll do one thing, I'll take x-axis as date, okay. So tell me guys, okay, so tell me what is the rank. Let's try to understand what is the rank. What is the rank? So tell me, if I have to rank, give 1, 2, 3, 4. So who is doing highest cells here? Who is rank number 1? Okay, let me do one thing. Let me add the data labels so that you will understand. Data labels, okay. Now tell me, what is the problem with my mouse? Okay, now tell me, who is doing the highest in 2016? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. 2016 West region is the highest.
Yes. 1. Then second,
East region.
East region. Third, both are same, right?
Third, South.
No, both are same. 10 million.
Both are same.
Both are same. You will not understand unless until we change the data label. So data label to me thousands रे change करेगा पड़ेगा. Yes or no? We have to change the data label to thousands to see the exact. Millions तो सब 0.1 million it is showing. It is also showing this 0.1 million. If you see the exact value, you will see the difference. Okay. So here also if you see which region is doing highest. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here if you see it is 1, okay, then 2, then 3, then 4. Yes or no? Correct? The ranking is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
But suppose, so here what, so you should understand by looking at here that actually south, okay, south, I mean this one is west, okay, west region in 2016, if I have to tell you the story, then west region in 2016, okay, it was holding rank 1. Somehow it lost its rank to 2. Okay, it was rank 1 but it lost its rank to 2. in 2007, but again it started to maintain the cell and topped again in 2018 and 2019. Yes or no? This is a kind of insight
Yes,
you have
sir.
to, okay, this is a kind of business insight you have to get, because it was actually a rank number 1, but somehow it didn't manage to, stay in rank number 1 in 2017, but then in 2018 it has picked up, the sales has been increased, then it topped, then again it is stopped in 2019. So when it comes to, south region, it was in rank maybe 3 or 4, then it is again, actually it is 4, if I show you the number, it is 4, again it maintained. Now here it is maybe 3, okay, or it is 3, then it is 4, then it is again in 4. Then if you look at the if you look at this one, so it was second in it, the rank was second. Now some sales has been increased, then it went to the first rank in 2017, then it has come down, gone down to second, then again it continued to maintain that second rank, going forward. So this one maybe it was fourth, okay, now it has maintained 3. This is a kind of business insight, you have to get it from this type of chart. Okay, so but it becomes very difficult, see, it becomes really difficult to understand how the ranks are changing in various years, how their ranks, it was first rank, then went to second rank, again went to first and first, depending on the sales. But for us it becomes very difficult to understand. So if you have such type of scenario, if you want to show this type of insights to the client, then don't go for this chart. There is a very interesting chart that is called, which chart? Can anybody tell me? Anybody tell me which chart we should use? We have to go for
donut side ही right side पे
ribbon chart. Okay, now is it clear to all of you? This is, see, rank 1, this was in rank 1. Just a minute. Rank 1, rank 2, again it maintained rank 1 and rank 1. Okay, rank 2, then it went to rank 1 in 2017. Okay, rank 2, okay, sorry, rank 2, rank 1, again rank 2, again rank 2. Here it is rank 3, so could not make it, sell at the rank 4, rank 4, it went up to rank 3, and it maintained rank 3. So is it clear? Now it is called a ribbon chart, which is used basically to show the ranks. It is for ranking system. What is that rank of each and every region? They are according to their sale in various years. So clear?
yes sir
Okay. You can also do some painting if you want. Go to your visual, then go to ribbons. Okay. If you want some transparency, if you want spacing, you can increase the spacing also. Okay. So here in okay, ribbons, there is a ribbons section. If you expand the section, then you can change the color if you want. Yeah, I don't want this color, I want make it to this color or this color. Okay, or this color. So I can do this. Okay. Then the next one is, if you want a spacing in between, you can also give a space to look it very, nice, maybe. Okay. Then what else you can do? Transparency, I have told you. If you want to give a transparency, you can give a transparency. Okay. So clear. Then data labels, you can change the data labels. Okay. Here, where is that values? Okay. If you want to show it in thousands, you can show it in thousands. Okay. So clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is about ribbon chart. Ribbon chart is used to show the rank. Okay, to show the rank and how it is performing. And best part is, see, if I just mouse over, so it is saying 2016 Westra sales, okay, region is West, and sum of sales is 1,47,883. Okay, this is okay 2016 Easter sales, then this is. And when I said rank, it will show you the rank. Can you guys see? So the ribbons which are connecting a emoji part, right? This middle part. Okay, if you just move your mouse over here, see. Are you understanding? 1,47,000 was the cell. Okay. So why it come to rank 2? Because the cell has been decreased by 7,916. Okay. Then which is 5% loss. 2016 ର ସେଲ୍ ହେଉଛି 1,47,000 and 2017 sale is 1,39,000. That the sale has gone down. That is the reason why it was not able to maintain the rank. It has gone down by 5%. The sales has gone down by 5%. Clear? And see, West's rank was 1 here. See, you can see West's rank was 1 here. Okay, West's rank is 2 in 2017, which is rank change is 1. Are you understanding? It was in rank 1. Now it has gone to rank 2. Rank change is 1 rank down is. So down arrow more. Okay, rank change you can see down arrow. Can you see that triangle down arrow?
Decrease.
Okay, so now if you see here again, see, sale was in 2017, the sale was 1,39,000. Now the sale has been exponentially increased to 1,87,000. There is a 47,513 difference in sale, which is increased. That means 33.95% sale has increased. Previously the rank was 2, now it is 1. That means rank change is 1. Your rank is increased by 1. Okay. Basically you are at rank 2. Now your rank is increased to 1, which is rank change is 1. Clear? So connecting ribbon, if you click in this connecting ribbon, you will see exactly what is happening here. Here if you see again, it is maintaining the rank 1 with the sale of increased sale of 62,648 rupees, which is a 33.42%. So how easy it is to analyze. So clear? So Divya, was this chart type covered previously?
Sir, we have already covered. I think Gopal Krishna has shared all charts in this group. Yeah. Bar chart, pie chart, and ribbon chart, I think.
That was in Excel, I think. In the Power BI session, it is covered.
Oh, are you asking about this? Which was I covered with Gopal Krishna or before session? Are you asking about?
No. Was this chart covered? I think in Power BI we are just covering it today. Was it covered in the evening?
No.
Okay. See, it depends. If some requirements are there, then you have to use it. If your requirements is it is fulfilled in some other chart type, you can go for it. Okay, so clear?
Sure, sir.
Now you can incorporate this chart in your now you can incorporate this chart in your dashboard also if you want to create a dashboard. Okay, so whenever see, normally we will, as discussed, normally in a week we'll have 3 to 4 Power BI classes, but other 2 classes you guys can utilize for dashboard creation. Okay, dashboard creation will be whenever you will create a dashboard, maybe Divya and Dipti Rekha will help you. I will explain you individual chart types. I will not show you dashboard you have to create on your own, so they can take the, so don't miss when they are also taking guiding you the dashboard session. Please don't miss that session. Okay, so you create dashboard, and if you need any help, you can reach out to them. So now this is the ribbon chart. Okay, we understood. Then the next one is, let's see, we'll create one more chart, which is there is something called this one. I mean, there is something called area line chart. Okay, line chart. In this line chart, what will happen is, let's say I'm putting subcategory. Okay, then I'm putting here cells. Okay, subcategory and cells. If you want this to be let me go to x-axis, then increase the font, bold. If you go to y-axis, increase the font, okay. So now, so tell me, what are you understanding from this chart? What are you understanding from this chart?
Decrease the subcategory down.
Decreased in sales you are seeing, right? You are seeing the sales is being decreased. It is, of course, the phone is selling the highest, the fastener subcategory is selling the lowest. Okay, the phone is selling the highest and this one is lowest. But by looking at this chart, you are understanding that the sale is decreasing exponentially. Okay, the sale is decreasing drastically, the sale is decreasing. So basically, this is a chart type to understand the trend. If you want to identify the trend and pattern, how your business is going or how your business is running, then you can use line chart. But in line chart, most of the time you will be using date values. Okay, so it is time period. You can use always this chart for time period. In 2016, how was your sale? In 2017, how was your sale? In consecutive years, how are you doing your sales? Okay, so this is not a right column category call. So you should always avoid a categorical column over here, that is an x-axis to plot. You should always use date or time period values, basically date, time, month, quarter and everything that you can use. Okay, so now this is not the right way, okay, to plot subcategory in x-axis, because this is showing us a pattern. So whenever it is showing us a pattern, that means by looking at this pattern, it is I am losing my business. But that is not the case, because these are different subcategories. One product might do well, one product might not do well. Okay, so that is the reason you should not use this. We should use a date time, okay, which is maybe order date. I would say order date. If I say order date, see, this just by creating this chart is not helping us. It is not readable. Okay, I'll simply remove this. Okay. So now are you understanding it? What is happening? What is happening here? Are you understanding? Can somebody tell me?
Sir, in 2016, come 2017 decreased the sales, but 2019 it is increased.
Yes, the sales was I mean from 2016, if you see, the sales has decreased in 2017 as compared to 2016, but it has drastically increased in 2018 and 19, continuous increase. If you want to use a data label, of course you can use a data label here. So here it was 484k, here it is again come down to 474k, 471k, and 609k and 733k. Okay, the sale has been increased. Okay, so clear everyone? What is the use of line chart? Line chart is used to show you the trends or patterns. Okay, you can understand what is the sales trend, whether I'm increasing my sales or decreasing my sales. Okay, so this is basically used to show you the sales trend. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so who will go to office now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So we'll do a small change, then we can wind up the session. Now, if you use secondary y-axis, okay, let me put legend here. If I put region in legend, okay, now you can see. If you put, so this is basically legend. If you put this region, so every region cell, okay, every region cell, and of course you can see, but in this particular region, if you say central again, in central, what in 2018 it has been increased, but in 2019 it has decreased. Okay, this is called a line chart, which you can use this chart to see the trend, what is happening in the business. So you can use a legend over here. Other options we will definitely see it in the next class. Maybe we'll have it tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss the other chart types. Okay, then there is something called if I just remove this, there is something called area chart. So area means this area will be occupied, this area will be filled with colors to have a better readability and better visibility. Okay, it depends. I mean, if you want to use area chart, you can use area chart. If you want to use this chart, I mean line chart, you can use line chart. Both the chart types are same, but here it is filled with colors to have a better visibility. So clear, all the chart types we have covered, that is clear to all of you.